This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible.
Many Supreme box logos finally came in. This is about half of the inventory. We're still expecting anywhere between 13 to 14 more shipments to come in. So we sold a few more box logos, and we also got some sales for Stanley tumblers. Anyways, as you can see, we have a ton of listing to do. But yeah, I gotta take pictures of these. It's gonna be a long day, but let's get to it.
The Powerpuff Girl dunks were supposed to drop earlier today from other websites such as Shopify stores. However, nobody dropped stock, so I've set up automations just in case any of the websites drop. I should at least have a chance, but really I'm not counting on it. These dunks are way too hyped not to backdoor. I don't even blame them for it. However, we do have more Supreme box logos dropping today. This time the t-shirts are releasing. I'm not full sending it. Going to be running a few tasks for select sizes and select colors. Just being on the safe side a bit. My ass got really cute. So that Supreme drop went a lot better than I expected. Honestly, I didn't think I would cop any double XLs. Coming up next, we have reverse Grinches dropping on Snkrs Pass. My account on Snkrs Pass is actually pretty cracked. The last Snkrs Pass I got around the same time, if I'm not mistaken, were the off-white green Spark Air Force Ones. That day was incredible, and hopefully we can replicate that success today. Gotta manifest. Gonna cop this right here, right now. But when it comes to Snkrs Pass, it all just comes down to luck. Hopefully I'm lucky today. Connection error. Fuck. Let's see which one. That, whatever. Whatever. Anyways, got some more sales. I believe I sold a few more Supreme hoodies, and I sold the Sony Pulse. Also forgot to mention that I sold some cat food that I had purchased from one of these Amazon price glitches. I know it's random as hell, and it's not a whole lot of profit, but it definitely counts. We have 3 important drops today. We have Kobe? Definitely tried to say Kobe and ASICS at the same time for some reason. Kobe's, ASICS, and the Powerpuff Girl dunks dropping all in one day. First on the list, we got Kobe's dropping at 10 a.m. Hopefully we can get something, anything today. Oh fuck me, I forgot to turn off automations like a fucking noob. What? I got re-queued, bro?
This nigga is trash.
Next up, we have ASICS dropping. I rented out Hi-Ha and launched an AWS server to be able to run for this release. However, I still think it's gonna be near impossible to cop because stock numbers are just gonna be a little bit low. Oh my god, I'm adding hella to cart. Out of stock, cap, bro. It just dropped. Like, it just dropped. Oh, I got submitting shipping for half a second. Oh, submitting. Oh, what the fuck? Come on. Submitting order? Okay. Just submit. Just do it. Just submit the order, please. Please. Please submit the order. Oh my god. Killing me here. The first of the Powerpuff Girl dunks are going to be dropping in about 7 minutes at 3 p.m. The way this release procedure is going to be is a little bit different. It's basically going to be a scratch off, kind of like one of those lottery scratch ticket things. I don't know why people keep calling it scratch and sniff, bro. You're not like, or maybe sniffing it makes you get a W. No, I'm not even gonna try that. But to be honest, I think this drop is gonna be a mess, but we're definitely gonna give it a try. What am I scratch and sniffing, bro? Oh, there you are. Okay. This one? Wait, what? Scratch the image below? Bro, I'm scratching. I don't get it. Maybe I'm just stupid. I'll try to refresh it again. Okay. This shit is just not working. What the fuck? Okay, new strategy. I'm gonna refresh, scratch, refresh, scratch until this shit starts working. Oh, it's working! It's working! Bro, I knew this would be a mess. I knew it. I called it. I'm not gonna have any fingerprints by the end of this. Oh my god, somebody copped already, bro. Okay, that should be good. Come on. Please go. Stop playing games. Come on. Alright, I'm scratching this whole image. There we go. X, bro, nobody's trying to... Come on. What are you... Bro. It let me go through after it's out of stock. What a joke. Next drop is in about an hour. Oh, of course, it's not working again. Scratch the image below. It's not scratching. Refresh, go back. Oh, it's working now. Come on. I need this. It's not triggering. I scratched it, but it's... Oh! Alright. Get it now. Come on. Please. It actually went through pretty quick. No way, dude! I got him, bro! Oh, shit! Oh my god. Dude, yes, the blue ones, man. I finally got something today. I honestly thought today was gonna be such a shit day, but I actually got something. But wait, it's not over yet. I think we can go for the little guy sizes. Okay, here we go. I think it's like a proper flow. Dude, no way, bro. No way. Got two. Wait, what? No, I got 3 actually. What the F? No, I actually hit 3. Oh, it just dropped. Oh, it's not a scratch this time. It's a draw. Ew, what the hell? No, we're not copying. But we try. Yeah, I used up all of my luck. There was no way I was copying this one too. Got some more hoodies in and a few hoodies out. However, we do have some pretty bad news. One of the first few sales that I made for the box logo hoodies, specifically the extra large in the gray colorway, has failed eBay's inspection somehow. So the customer is going to get refunded and then the hoodie will come back to me. Anyways, we're gonna figure all of that out on the next episode.